Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Cardano video update. And Cardano seems to have made a triple bottom, guys, almost a triple bottom. So on the daily we have first touch, you have the second touch, and then you have the third touch right over here. Now I was expecting a reversal, but you see you still managed to find a big support at the 786. Previously as well you did find some sort of level of support at the 786. So once again, the question really is at the current situation, because you still are in a threat to go down to this level. I'm gonna tell you $0.2897. I'm gonna tell you why. The threat is on the daily. You already crossed 0.618. That's the positive thing. Amazing, very good. If you do actually hold the 0.618, then it's hard for you to go to the downside. Then you're looking for basically 52 and the 56 and the 60s. The problem really is that today closing is very, very important. And as far as I see, if you go down here and close near 4744 in the next 18 hours from the time that I'm recording the video on a daily time frame, then this was just a fake out to the upside, and you're still going to close in a bearish engulfing candlestick and you continue to go to the downside. That's something that you have to keep in mind. That's something that can happen. And then you're going to be losing the 0.618 as well. And that would be nothing than just a little bit of a green lollipop. And then boom, you push the people to the downside. Do watch the Bitcoin update today. It's a lengthy update. It's going to serve justice for what's going to happen next. And that's it for this Cardano video update. You really have to hold 494. And then we're going to talk about the upside potential. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.